Hello guys, this is a bibliography of Ruth Kadiri. Ruth Kadiri is a Nigerian actress, screenwriter, and film producer with a prolific career in Nollywood. Ruth Kadiri engaged herself in some notable movies such as In Your Arms (2017), Black Bright (2017), Tripod (2018), and so on. Ruth Kadiri has received several nominations and awards for her contribution to Nollywood, including the Nigeria Entertainment Award for the Actress of the Year 2015. Ruth Kadiri has written and co-written several films. Subscribe.